Renting a pre-owned 2014 BMW. This two-door coupe has a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter i6 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This BMW has less than 107,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include premium package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, and heated front seats.